When migratory birds travel thousands of miles, they're not just following landmarks. Many species can sense Earth's magnetic field. Scientists believe certain birds have specialized proteins in their eyes that allow them to detect magnetic direction, almost like seeing an invisible map overlaying the world. This sense helps guide them across continents during migration. Humans do not have this ability, but traces of magnetite, a magnetic mineral, have been found in the human brain, suggesting that our ancestors may have once had a stronger sensitivity. For birds, the planet itself provides the guidance. For us, it sadly remains invisible now, which is fascinating. If you thought this was fascinating, give us a like and a follow, because we post videos like this one every single day.